Hello everyone, welcome back to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off your iPhone without touching the screen. So sometimes you might end up in an issue such as your screen might be unresponsive or you're not able to do anything on the screen, but still you wanted to turn off your iPhone. Many users end up in this issue. So we're going to talk about how you can turn off your screen without, or how you can turn off your iPhone without touching the screen. So the only one solution is all about you need to do a force restart on your iPhone. So to do a force restart, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button over here all together simultaneously. First press volume up followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button simultaneously, which will lead to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Just press volume up followed by volume down, press and hold the power button like this. Now as you can see, the iPhone is completely turned off. So this is how you can turn off your iPhone without touching the screen. So there is one more step that I would like to make you notice. Sometimes, in most probably by Apple, by default, there is no way to turn off your iPhone without touching the screen. So either we have only one method, which I said, that is all about we have to use the force restart. So what I have done over here is it's actually the force restart, because by Apple officially we don't have any method to turn off your iPhone without touching the screen. Only the one solution is force restart, where this phone will be turned off and it will be restarted like this after some seconds. So force restart is a fix to many issues such as your screen is unresponsive, or your screen is not working, or it is unresponsive or going through any kind of issue. You can try this out. If you wanted to turn off your phone completely without touching the screen, the one solution that I would like to give you as a prominent is all about you have to wait unless and until the battery get completely drained out. So right now the battery is there for 51%, so you have to wait it to reach completely used up. So these are the two ways. Either you have to do a force restart, or you have to wait to get completely drained out your battery. Apart from this, there's no steps from Apple to completely turn off your iPhone without touching the screen. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.